Right, what's up everybody? Welcome to a nice little bike building, upgrading and bike love giving video. This bike has been with me since almost 2 years now, and I think it needs some love. First I'll show you what's wrong with the bike, because there are some points, and after that I will be making some cool upgrades on the bike again, so stay tuned. So first part I need to fix is the dropper cable. I kinda, I don't know if you can see it like this, but I wrecked the outside of the cable, so I'm gonna need a new cable for that. And second, my trailer hanger is completely crooked, so I cannot shift in gears correctly. It's really annoying. So, and it's winter time, so more biking, no lift. I need to pedal more. So that's what we're up to today, and after that we are going to do some upgrades to the bike. While we're here, I'll show you. I am also missing the, it's like a cap that is fit here, and I've been watching my own videos, and I saw, I think I've been missing that part for like a year or something. So it does nothing. I think it's just a dust cap or something. It's just stuck on there, but I don't know. So I don't have it now, but I'll be fixing that on later. New one, it's the SRAM UDH one, so props to YT. I thought, why isn't it running smoothly? Oh man. Chain's coming off again. Number 2. So chain's on correctly now. Fine for now. That's cool. Alright, problem number 2. So, as mentioned in the beginning of the video, that's my, oh, sorry there. There, that's my problem here. I ripped open the cable by, because I'm so long, I'm like 190 centimeters long, so I need to, when I do trail riding, I need to bump up my saddle a bit, because my dropper isn't big enough. So, changing the cables. Let's go. I think this will work. It's just a regular shifter cable from Shimano. We'll see how it goes, but I think this is good enough. Lever off first. Around trying to get this cable routed through the bike. I'm gonna make a little bit of edit out of it because I don't think you guys want to see it all. Anyway, if you want to be updated on the things I do, and there's more coming, more bike building kind of videos also for the winter, hit subscribe, hit like the bell button. Also on my Instagram I have a broadcast channel where I share like behind the scenes kind of stuff. So go ahead, go to Instagram and also subscribe to my broadcast channel there. So let's get this on. Took off the handlebars. It was easier getting the... There is a hole there on the left side where I needed to put the cable through, so to get it out there. So this was a little easier, but also I needed to get this off for the next upgrade, which is... Yeah, buddy! This is just awesome. Got myself a nice stem. It's the silver one, of course, yes, from Tidal. And this one, I've been wanting to get this for so long, so I came across it, I had to buy it. And some nice dead grips, which I already had on there, or were ODIs, but the grip is the same, and I just love them, and that grip's cool, so let's get it on. So that's out.